It's time for the hot seat. The pros have 15 seconds. They're going to predict and tell you what's going to happen tomorrow. You feel the heat? You better. Kate, you're up first.
Well, Charles, everybody's going to be watching jobs tomorrow. I'm watching consumer credit. It's out at 3 p.m. So 2 months ago, it was about $17.5 billion. There was still all that crazy weather going on. This will be for April. Weather was a little bit better. And I want to see if there was any pent-up demand, especially when it comes to revolving credit.
That's right. The Fed wants you to borrow money, people.
Yes.
Heatha, you're on the hot seat.
Well, I won't be watching jobs, but I will be watching Amazon. They sent out an email today saying that they're going to have an announcement June 18th. People are speculating they're going to be rolling out the smartphone. Now, we know that the smartphone market is saturated, but this might expand Amazon a lot. People responding to this very well. I think the stock is going to
Stock held up well after hitting 300. Tracy, you're in the hot seat.
Everyone's lying. Of course you're watching jobs tomorrow, but the most important thing about the jobs number tomorrow are hourly wages. They've only gone up 1.9% year over year. That is pathetic at best. If we don't start to see that number, forget your consumer credit, your shopping, your everything. Not going to happen.
Jobs numbers have been pathetic for a long time. Matt, you're next.
I'm watching the markets. I mean, the jobs number is obviously going to move the markets, but I want to see how the market reacts. I think if the jobs number is going to be right around where they estimate, about 200,000, that's going to be good for the market. We continue our rally. But if they have a beat to the upside or we miss big on the downside, I think the market sells off dramatically tomorrow. So I'm watching reaction from markets.
You know what? Tomorrow starts the official Fed-induced stock market rally. That's right. That's what I'm saying. Tomorrow starts the Fed rally. Yeah, listen, I don't disagree that all this Fed action has helped the market to move higher, but I think it starts a cascade. I think the volumes are going to go up, and I think we're going to see panic buying. If people see Dow 17,000, there are going to be so many people, guys, who said, I'll never buy the market again. They're going to say, all right, what the hell, I'm in.
Well, and we're only 3% from S&P 2,000. I mean, that's a big number. You're going to see it all over the newspapers and the media. If we hit 2,000, then that investor has been sitting on his hands for the last 4 years, says to themselves, I have to get in the market.
But let's have some converters tomorrow,
if
definitely.
This is a good number. Watch the market sell off. Those traders not going to be happy. The Fed's going to
I think the fix is in. There was an old song, The Fix is in. Remember that song?